I don't understand how this camera is so annoying and always unplugs itself. Hi, Eurotruck. Let me turn the music down so I don't get copyright struck. Eurotruck has Halloween event, apparently. I guess, because of fucking course it does. We are in Brackenreach, going to Castle Brackenheim. I have a bunch of Halloween goodies on me. I don't know what I'm delivering, I didn't really pay much attention, I never really look at what I'm delivering. I'm delivering Halloween treats from Stockholm to Brackenreach. I had a mission on here, but I must have accepted it like 4 months ago, and it must have been like in-game 2 or 3 weeks late, because I completed the mission and it said late. So I undid the save, I went back, because that was the only job that I've ever done that hasn't been excellent. So I'm undoing that, and I overrid it to do this mission. So, oh, and I'm off-road. Well, we gotta turn the music off, right? We gotta immerse ourselves, eh? I'm in a call right now with some friends, but I'm muted. Is that, like, blocked up? Can I drive through that? Is it telling me to? Wait. I'm confused. No, it's a tree. I thought it was a big cobweb. I guess we're going off the beaten path. Ooh. I hope you can hear me. Can I go there? It's just all off-road. Okay. This is fun. I have to find the witch's house. I have to do a bunch of deliveries. I don't go off-road very often, so this is going to be fun for the tyres. It's just doing it by itself, you see that? I'll go this way. This is so eerie, I love it. Where's the river? Oh, this is tight, yeah. Reminds me of Ebe. Like I'm playing the dollhouse sort of level. When you're in the hand-drawn world. Just hearing those chimes. Now I feel like I'm playing Scratches from fucking way back. Oh. I should not be delivering this cargo. My wheel's getting bricked up on this fucking dirt. I never played a horror game like set when you're driving, so this is kind of interesting. The closest this really reminds me of is the Walking Dead 400 Days episode with Eddie and Pink guy, whatever his name is. I got the feeling going this way, like up and to the right anyway, was the path to take, but I don't know. Are we trying to get back onto the main road? I'm sorry buddy, there's not much I can do. You live in a fucking maze, and you haven't pruned the fucking drives for us delivery drivers to get in, buddy. Not our fault if our trailer gets dinged. It's only trailer damage anyway, it doesn't mean goods damaged. Is that the truck? What the fuck? Oh. I have to do this trip every time? 15 Halloween deliveries? This is gonna be so annoying. Look at this shit. Oh, that's a hole. Oh. That's a crevasse. What do you mean trailer damage too? What did I nick it on? The roof? The fear comes from, like, my truck falling to its death and exploding. God damn. This is scary. This is weirdly engaging. Yeah, let's stop in the video spot, take a video. Get a little picture of this shit. Let's take a turn and then take another turn. So then we're bracing ourselves. There we go. Oh yeah. Devilish. We are in the Pumpkin Village. Decadent. A lone pumpkin sits atop a tree in an empty graveyard. The sullen moon overhanging the evil chapel. The audio not fading out between the camera transitions, creating a really sharp juxtaposition that takes me out of the immersion. Pumpkin, scarecrow. Another pumpkin. With an abandoned village. Not a soul in sight. They're all waiting underground. To jump out and go boo. I am the pumpkin. Ooh. I am the Pumpkin King. Quiverer of pumpkins across the land. Outlast 2 Cornfield. Resident Evil 8 Windmill. Wasn't that immersive? We made it back onto the road. If this is the delivery trip every single time, that's fucking obnoxious. Don't do that. I will not take part if I have to drive through those fucking woods and that cave every time. That's gonna be so annoying. Oh, thank Christ. Like how quickly you're trying to wear my wheels down, Euro Truck. Huh? Really cool atmospheric stuff though. Like, I was not expecting that from this game. For it to have, like, actually genuinely put me on edge for a little bit. Like, it. Also, I'm noticing reflections in the top window since I turned the reflections up, which I don't like and I want to remove that, because it's kind of annoying. This would be a great place to put Skyrim music. Oh. This is cool. The fire gives me ASMR, dude. Ugh. Fucking bumpy ass road, bitch. Hello, horse. Squeak. This is so cheesily Halloween. I love it. I guess here is your delivery, Pumpkin Man. Castle Blackened. Fuck that. That is terrifying. If that was on the edge of a cliff, that would be amazing. Can we go in the castle? Let's have a look around here for a moment, eh? Yeah, we're good. Mysterious castle. I sit there next to the load I brought with me. The silhouette of the spire above me. Dimly lit lamp posts lead the way to the castle. The birds flying solemnly in the sky. The horses nibble at the ground, wondering what the fuck they're doing. As the people from the castle throw parties every Wednesday. The braziers are lit as they are expecting company from the truckers, delivering their yearly shipment of Halloween bits and bobs. Burning in 5 frames per second all across the vista. The wooden bridge damp with rot and musk. Shivering, trembling against the wind. A town, all lights on but no signs of life. A giant fart in my right ear. And 10 million things squeaking. And a horse getting cut off mid-neigh. He was gonna say the N-word. I'm going in this bitch. There's nothing in here. I have to drive all the way back. I have to find the witches thing. That's gonna be cool. I think we may have found it, chat. I drove here, it said passage updated, and I see a little camera icon in the corner, so there's another cinematic. Oh shit. Headphone wire, get out of the way. Shit, I can't control this thing. Yo, purple glowies. This is definitely the witch's alchemist bit. Look at that, red grass. Oh, she alchemizes up here. That tree looks like a dog's face in the wind mirror. You see that shit? World of gaze. Ah! I found the witch's spooky horn. The Witch's Hill. For multiple witches. Mysterious floating energies in the sky. Bioluminescent mushrooms adorning the ground. Candles and lavender. A skull upon a moss-covered shack. The witches making their evening soup, filled with hummus, and a type of bread that has too many syllables for human pronunciation. Chink. Still, the castle looms onward, a shadow the earth can't quite seem to get rid of. The moon's light failing to reach it. Perhaps that was by design. The camera constantly jittering. Don't know why it keeps doing that in these cutscenes. And my truck looks on with a happy anime face. Surrounded by the darkness of the trees. Covered in twilight. Forlorn. We found the witch's hat, man. That's so scary. That's cool. What a cool little Halloween update. I didn't ever expect this game to have had something like that. I'm playing so many games now that have fucking Halloween events. Deep Rock, Euro Truck, fucking Outlast Trials. Whatever else is gonna get Halloween updates inevitably. Bunch of the other shit I play. What's over this way? Please be a cliff I can drive right off of. I was kidding. Where are we going? How big is this place? This is the mine, right? Can I go in there? Yeah, I didn't want to have to carry a delivery through these fucking places, so I don't have any load with me right now. Imagine doing this in multiplayer, just seeing your buddies as trucks driving ahead of you. It's tight here, guys, watch out. Imagine going 30 kilometers per hour through this fucking thing. Okay, that route is just blocked. I feel like I'm playing Borderlands 4. Borderlands 4? Like I'm in an auger mine. Suck my fucking cock. What gave me damage there? Huh? You put me in the world's tightest hole and expect me to come out with no nicks or scratches? Yeah? Oh my... Anyway, that was the Euro truck. Because, wow, that's a lot of stuff to do. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. That was fun. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Not what I was expecting.